Something about your woodworking setup is quietly ruining your precision, and you probably don't even see it yet. On AU Techverse, we've lined up 30 game-changing tools that can completely transform how you cut, measure, and build. Tools most people only discover after costly mistakes. Stick till the end, because every single tool you're about to see has its Amazon link waiting for you in the description. Ready to upgrade your workflow instantly. JessEm Clear-Cut STS Guides. When you're feeding a board through your table saw, trying to keep it perfectly straight, but it shifts slightly and suddenly your cut isn't as clean as you expected. The JessEm Clear-Cut STS Guides are designed to prevent exactly that. These guides use angled roller bearings to apply consistent downward and inward pressure, keeping your stock tight against the fence. They also help reduce kickback, making your cuts safer and more controlled. Built with durable materials and easy to install on most table saws, this is one upgrade that brings immediate confidence to every cut. Microjig Blade and Bit Cleaner. You start noticing burn marks on your cuts and assume your blade is worn out, but the real issue is often buildup resin and pitch. The Microjig Blade and Bit Cleaner is made to safely remove that buildup without harsh chemicals. With its magnetic handle and replaceable cleaning pads, you can scrub saw blades and rotor bits while keeping your hands at a safe distance. It works quickly and restores cutting performance without damaging the edges. Regular cleaning with this tool helps extend the life of your blades, making it a simple but essential addition to any workshop. Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares. You're marking a cut line across a board, flipping it over, and hoping both sides actually line up. But even a slight mismatch can ruin your joinery. The Woodpeckers Folding Saddle Squares eliminate that guesswork by wrapping around the workpiece, allowing you to mark multiple faces in one smooth motion. Made from precision-machined aluminum, they offer fixed 90 degrees and 45 degrees references for consistent accuracy. The folding design makes them compact yet reliable on the job. When accuracy matters on both sides of the cut, this tool ensures your layout is always perfectly aligned. Infinity Tools Fluting JointMaster. You're trying to add decorative flutes to a table leg, but keeping the router straight and evenly spaced feels nearly impossible. The Infinity Tools Fluting JointMaster is designed to guide your router with controlled, repeatable accuracy on both straight and slightly curved workpieces. It features adjustable stops and alignment controls that help you center each flute precisely without drifting. The jig works with standard routers and includes components that simplify setup. Instead of uneven grooves and trial and error cuts, you get clean, professional fluting that instantly elevates the look of your project. Milescraft 8403 Laminate Trimmer. You've just applied edge banding or laminate, but the excess material is sticking out and ruining the clean look of your panel. The Milescraft 8403 Laminate Trimmer is built to trim both sides of the edge in one smooth pass using standard razor blades. Its compact design gives you full control, allowing you to follow straight or slightly curved edges without tearing the material. It works well on veneer, laminate, and edge banding, making it a versatile addition for finishing work. When clean edges matter, this simple tool delivers precise results without extra effort. UYUSTOOLS Forstner Bits. You're drilling a hole for a hinge or dowel, and the edges come out rough with tear out that ruins the finish. UYUSTOOLS Forstner bits are designed to create clean, flat-bottom holes with sharp cutting edges that reduce splintering. They are typically made from hardened steel for durability and can handle hardwoods as well as softwoods. The center point helps guide the bit accurately without wandering, even on precise layouts. Whether you're installing hardware or doing fine joinery, these bits give you smooth, accurate holes that require little to no cleanup afterward. Precision Miter Trimmer from Infinity Tools. You cut a miter joint on your saw, but when you bring the two pieces together, there's a tiny gap that ruins the finish. The Precision Miter Trimmer from Infinity Tools is designed to fine-tune those cuts with controlled, razor-sharp trimming. It uses adjustable fences and a sharp cutting blade to shave off small amounts of material, bringing angles to exact alignment. Ideal for picture frames, trim, and molding, it helps you correct imperfections without recutting the entire piece. When perfect corners matter, when this tool turns close enough into a flawless fit. EZARC Sawzall blades and oscillating tool blades. You're in the middle of a cut and your blade starts slowing down, struggling through nails or dense material, turning a simple task into frustration. EZARC Sawzall and oscillating tool blades are built for durability and consistent cutting across wood, metal, and mixed materials. Made with bimetal construction, they are designed to resist wear and maintain sharpness longer than basic blades. They fit most standard reciprocating and oscillating tools, making them easy to integrate into your setup. When you need reliable cutting performance without frequent blade changes, these blades keep your workflow moving smoothly. Milescraft 4016 BenchLock. You're setting up a piece to work on, but your clamps never seem to be exactly where you need them, slowing everything down. The Milescraft 4016 BenchLock solves that by giving you a quick, tool-free clamping point anywhere on your workbench. It installs easily into a standard bench hole and locks in place with a simple twist. The rotating head allows flexible positioning so you can secure different shapes and sizes without hassle. Whether you're sanding, drilling, or assembling, this tool keeps your work steady and your setup fast and efficient. Olympia Tools Woodworkbench. You're working on a project, but the surface beneath you keeps shifting or lacks the support you need, affecting both accuracy and safety. The Olympia Tools Woodworkbench provides a stable and reliable workspace built from solid wood, designed to handle demanding tasks. It features integrated storage options and a sturdy frame that helps keep your tools organized and within reach. The work surface is designed to support clamping and general woodworking operations with ease. When your workspace is solid and dependable, every project becomes easier to manage from start to finish. Cen-Tec Systems 97514 Quick Click Dust Collection. Separator, you're cleaning up your workspace, but your shop vac keeps clogging, losing suction, and forcing you to stop again and again. The Cen-Tec Systems 97514 Quick Click Dust Collection Separator is designed to capture dust, debris, and even liquids before they reach your vacuum. It connects easily to most shop vac systems and helps maintain consistent airflow by reducing filter blockage. And the quick click design makes setup straightforward without complicated modifications. By keeping your vacuum running efficiently and your filters cleaner for longer, this tool turns messy cleanup into a much smoother process. Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule. You're measuring a small part or marking a tight space, and a full-size ruler just gets in the way or slips out of position. The Woodpeckers Paolini Pocket Rule is designed for precise, so close-range measurements with a compact form that fits easily in your hand or pocket. It features clearly marked scales, adjustable stops, and supports both metric and imperial units, depending on the version. The rigid metal construction ensures consistent accuracy without flexing. For detailed layout work where control matters most, this tool helps you mark with confidence and repeatability every time. School LCD Edge Banding. Iron, you've applied edge banding, but uneven heat leaves bubbles or weak adhesion that starts peeling over time. The School LCD Edge Banding iron gives you controlled, consistent heat with an adjustable LCD temperature display, so you can match the exact requirement of the adhesive. Its compact shape and specialized tip help you work along edges and tight corners without damaging the surface. The included protective cover reduces the risk of scratches during application. When clean, durable edge finishing matters, and this tool helps you achieve a smooth, professional bond that holds over time. Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator. You're running your shop vac during a big project, and before long the filter clogs, suction drops, and cleanup becomes a constant interruption. The Dust Deputy 2.5 Cyclone Separator is designed to solve that by separating up to 99% of dust and debris before it reaches your vacuum. It uses a cyclone action to spin out particles into a separate container, keeping your filter cleaner for longer. The system connects easily to most shop vacs and maintains consistent airflow. For anyone dealing with heavy dust, this tool keeps your cleanup efficient and your equipment running at full performance. Festool BS75. Belt Sander. You're flattening a large panel, but your sander feels heavy, leaves uneven marks, and quickly wears you out. The Festool BS75 belt sander is designed for powerful, controlled material removal with a well-balanced build that reduces fatigue during extended use. It tracks the sanding belt accurately, helping you maintain a consistent finish across wide surfaces. The tool also integrates with dust extraction systems to keep your workspace cleaner. Ideal for leveling solid wood or smoothing veneers, it delivers reliable performance when you need efficient sanding without sacrificing control. Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set. You're drilling multiple holes. Trying to keep the depth consistent, but one slip and you go too deep, damaging the piece. The Wolfcraft Depth Stop Set helps you control drilling depth with simple, adjustable collars that attach directly to your drill bits. Once set, they physically stop the bit at the exact depth you need, ensuring repeatable and accurate results. The set fits a range of common bit sizes and is easy to install without special tools. For tasks like doweling or hardware installation, this tool keeps every hole precise and consistent. Trend Belfast Sink Jig. You're cutting out a sink opening in a countertop, and even a small misalignment can ruin the entire piece. The Trend Belfast Sink Jig is designed to guide your router for accurate, repeatable sink cutouts. It features adjustable components to fit a range of sink sizes and uses guide bush compatibility for controlled routing. The jig allows you to create both the main recess and drainage grooves with consistent spacing. Setup is straightforward, and once aligned, it helps maintain precision throughout the cut. For clean, professional sink installations, this jig ensures accuracy where it matters most. Old-school dowel maker and tenon cutters. You're trying to match a dowel or create a tenon, but getting the exact size and smooth finish is harder than expected. The old-school dowel maker and tenon cutters are designed to turn square stock into precise, round dowels and consistent tenons using a drill. Built with carbon steel cutting edges, they are made for durability and can be resharpened when needed. The tool supports common sizes like 8mm and 10mm, giving you flexibility in joinery work. For custom fittings and strong joints, this tool gives you control over both size and finish. Leigh Isoloc C-Joint. You're aiming for tight, professional dovetail joints, but small alignment errors can leave gaps that weaken the structure. The Leigh Isoloc C-Joint system is designed to create precise, repeatable dovetail joints using CNC machine templates that guide your router accurately. It works with Leigh D-Series jigs and allows you to adjust joint tightness for a perfect fit. The templates support both imperial and metric layouts, making them versatile for different projects. For woodworkers who want clean, strong joinery without constant trial and error, this system delivers consistent and reliable results. Milescraft 1334 JointMaster. You're aligning dowel joints by eye, and even a slight misalignment throws off the entire assembly. The Milescraft 1334 JointMaster is designed to guide your drilling with precision using hardened steel drill guides. It supports common dowel sizes like 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch, allowing you to create strong, accurate joints across different projects. The built-in alignment fences and measurement scales help position each hole consistently without guesswork. It works well on edge, face, and corner joints. For reliable dowel joinery without complex setups, this tool keeps everything straight and perfectly aligned. Microjig MatchFit. Pop stop. You're making repeat cuts, measuring again and again, trying to keep every piece identical, but small variations keep creeping in. The Microjig MatchFit Pop Stop is designed to give you consistent stop positioning on any 14-degree dovetail track system. It pops up when needed to act as a firm stop and folds down out of the way when not in use, while keeping your workspace clear. The adjustable design allows quick repositioning without tools. For repetitive cuts where accuracy matters, this tool ensures every piece matches the last without constant remeasuring. Rockler Jig It Hinge Mortising System. You're installing hinges on a cabinet or box, and even a slight misplacement can cause doors to sit uneven or not close properly. The Rockler Jig It Hinge Mortising System is designed to guide your router for clean, accurate hinge mortises every time. Made from durable acrylic, the jig uses interchangeable templates to match different hinge sizes and styles. Once positioned, it keeps your cuts consistent without drifting. It works well for both small decorative projects and larger cabinetry tasks. For precise hinge placement without trial and error, this system delivers reliable and repeatable results. Armor Auto-Jig System. You're setting up pocket holes, adjusting clamps, measuring thickness, and it all takes longer than the actual drilling. The Armor Auto-Jig system simplifies that process by automatically adjusting to the thickness of your material, reducing setup time. It includes a self-adjusting clamping mechanism that holds the workpiece securely without manual fine-tuning. Designed for consistent pocket hole joinery, it also helps align screws properly for a cleaner finish. Whether you're building cabinets or frames, and this system speeds up your workflow while maintaining accuracy, making repetitive joinery faster and more reliable. Microjig Automatic Center Finder. You're trying to find the exact center of a board, measuring from both sides, double-checking, and still not fully confident. The Microjig Automatic Center Finder removes that guesswork by mechanically locating the center point without calculations. It adjusts to stock up to 3 inches thick and locks into position, giving you an instant and accurate center mark. The design ensures equal spacing on both sides, which is critical for joinery and drilling alignment. For projects where precision matters, this tool saves time and delivers consistent results without relying on manual measuring. Levoit Shelf Pin Jig and Concealed Hinge Jig. You're drilling shelf pin holes or installing concealed hinges, and keeping everything evenly spaced and aligned can quickly become frustrating. The Levoit Shelf Pin Jig and Concealed Hinge Jig combines both tasks into one precise setup. It allows you to drill multiple evenly spaced holes in a single pass and accurately position concealed hinges without misalignment. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it stays stable during use and is suitable for both beginners and experienced woodworkers. For cabinet projects where consistency is critical, this tool helps you achieve clean, professional results with less effort. And that brings us to the end of this lineup on AU Techverse. If you found even one tool that could improve your workflow, make sure to hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more practical tools and tech that actually make a difference.